Hi there, Avi here. For the fifth video in the Visualize the Kanji series, let's cover another kanji piece. Last time we learned human legs. This time, let's go with animal legs. Animal legs is like human legs, but a little easier to write. It just has two strokes, 1 and 2. It doesn't change in shape, and it usually comes below other shapes in kanji. For its image, you can visualize a pair of bunny legs, or you could go with some monster legs. The basic gist here is that they're simple, and that they're not human legs, okay? Now that we've covered our new animal legs kanji piece, let's get into our three new characters. We have only, shellfish, and 6. Let's start with the image for only. I focus on the mouth and animal legs. That's a pretty simple creature, right? It could be a character. It could be pink. It could have simple animal legs. Or it could be green with monster-like animal legs. I want you to focus on the big mouth and animal legs. Let's practice writing it out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more time. All right. Next, we've got a shellfish. Luckily, the shape of an eye, which is an almond, is also the shape of a clamshell from the side. So we've got our eye, and then from the shell, we've got an eye peeking out, and a couple of animal legs, which is what it uses to move about the ocean, let's say. They kind of look like monster legs, but hey, it's just another form of life, right? When you write out shellfish, you'll want to visualize the gaping eye and animal legs. While I write that out, I'd like to note that it's an interesting fact, not just in Japan, but throughout history, different cultures have used shells as currency. So we'll see shellfish, the character for shellfish, come into play in later characters that are related to money. So please look forward to that. Okay? Great. So I've written out a couple times. Next, let's go on to the image for number 6. In this one, we've got another kanji piece. Since it's really simple, let's just go over it briefly. I think you'll find it really easy to visualize. It's just a top hat, and you can go with any color top hat you like. Maybe black is a popular choice. Whichever color you choose, please keep it a solid color, as there is another hat kanji piece out there with stripes, which is reserved. So from the top hat, we can have, let's say, a pair of bunny animal legs coming out. You could go with insect legs, monster legs, just as long as they aren't human legs. You could visualize a non-human character wearing a top hat. I personally go with a magician's top hat and bunny, which works well, I think, with the meaning of 6. You could visualize a rabbit in 6 hats, each within the next. Or you could visualize 6 rabbits in 1 magic hat. Whichever way you go, I think it's a pretty solid image to remember the character with. So we've written that out a couple times, and there we go. We've got our 3 characters. Only, shellfish, and 6. If you have any comments or questions, please post below. Thanks.